This video explains how to operate format setting of the HVS-490. Go to Setup, System, Format on the menu bar. Change the format in the bottom left to suit your system. After changing the format, a message to restart the MU will be displayed. Press Yes to restart the MU. After a short time, the connection between the MU and the OU will automatically be disconnected. Go to Setup, System, Format, and if the format value has been changed correctly, the setting is complete. Configure the Genlock settings. Go to the Setup, System, Ref In. Set Ref In the bottom right to match the system. After changing the settings, a message to restart the MU will be displayed. So press Yes to restart the MU. After restarting, go to Setup, System, Ref In, and if the value has been changed correctly, the setting is complete.